that courtwoman's innocent.
Count 1, premeditated first-degree murder of Jennifer Paxton. We, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of criminally negligent homicide. Verdict form for count 2, first-degree felony murder of Jennifer Paxton during the perpetration of attempt to perpetrate aggravated rape. We, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of first-degree felony murder during the perpetration or attempt of to perpetrate for aggravated rape. Next, count 3. We, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of first-degree felony murder during the perpetration or attempt to perpetrate aggravated kidnapping. Count 4. We, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of attempted aggravated rape. Count 5. We, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, not guilty of the case of aggravated rape with bodily injury to Jennifer Paxton. Count 5, aggravated rape, aiding or abetting with one or more persons. We, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of aggravated rape. Count 7, we, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of aggravated kidnapping. Count 8, we, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of especially aggravated kidnapping. Count 9, we, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, not guilty of conspiracy to commit premeditated first-degree murder. Count 10, we, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of conspiracy to commit aggravated rape. Count 11, we, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of conspiracy to commit aggravated kidnapping. We, the jury, find the defendant, count 12, we, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of abuse of the corpse. And finally, count 13, regarding tampering evidence, we, the jury, find the defendant, Shannon Finnegan, guilty of tampering with evidence. Thank you. You can have a seat, please. So, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, that means we've still got some more work to do. But first thing I have to do is I have to poll the jury. So don't worry about your prior numbers. I'm just going to go down the line and refer to you by number to make sure everybody agrees with these verdicts I just read in there. Juror number 1 on the back row, is that your verdict, sir?
Yes, sir.
Juror number 2?
Yes.
Juror number 3?
Yes.
Juror number 4?
Yes.
Juror number 5?
Yes.
Juror number 6?
Yes.
Juror number 7?
Yes.
Juror number 8?
Yes.
Juror number 9?
Yes.
Juror number 10?
Yes.
Juror number 11?
Yes.
And juror number 12?
Yes.
All right, our plan is this. We'll let y'all go in just a moment. I think dinner's already there at the hotel. I want y'all to come back at 10 in the morning. The reason for that is the lawyers and I have some work to do before this other case is presented to you, or this mini trial as we've talked about. And tomorrow we'll learn about aggravators and mitigators. And then I'll give you some instructions on that, and y'all will get to work on that as well. I remember my instructions to you. I know you've done a lot of work. I know you've worked really hard back there, and I really, really appreciate that. So we can't ruin this now by y'all going and talking to each other about this individually. So please don't do that. I'll have to ask you again tomorrow morning to raise your hand and say you did, but please don't do that. You've done great so far, and I really appreciate your work, but we've still got a little bit more work to do. So I look forward to seeing y'all in the morning, and thank you for working so hard yesterday and today and reaching a verdict in this case, and we'll go from there, okay? All right, so everybody rise, please.
All right.
I'll see y'all tomorrow morning.
Here, follow me.
Judge.
Yes, ma'am. I've got to address and take care of those.
Yes, sir.
And then obviously we'll have to do jury instructions and talk about those things as well. But if y'all will have your aggravating evidence ready tomorrow morning at 10, and then if y'all will have your mitigation evidence tomorrow, then we'll start going from there.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything for the state I need to do? Okay, anything for the defense?
No.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll stand and y'all can wait if you want to. All I'm going to do is tell the two alternates that we've reached a verdict in regard to this part of the trial, and I'm still keeping them. They'll go back to the hotel. They can't have contact with anybody. They can't talk about the case. They'll come back, and then we'll see how we do on the mitigation stuff. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right, we'll stand in recess. Everyone rise, please. We'll be adjourned until tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Thank you. As I said, the jury's reached a verdict in this case. We, the jury, unanimously find the following listed statutory aggravating circumstances beyond a reasonable doubt. And they listed them specifically. 1, the murder was especially heinous, atrocious, or cruel, and they involved torture or serious physical abuse beyond that necessary to produce death. Number 3, the murder was knowingly committed, solicited, directed, or aided by the defendant, while the defendant had a substantial role in committing any rape and or kidnapping. And 4, the defendant knowingly mutilated the body of the victim after death. We, the jury, unanimously find the state's proven beyond a reasonable doubt that the statutory aggravated circumstances or circumstances so listed above outweigh any mitigating circumstances. Therefore, we, the jury, unanimously find the punishment for defendant Sean Shannon Finnegan shall be death. So, ladies and gentlemen, I need to make sure every one of my jurors that that's your verdict. So I'll do like I did. Thank you. Y'all excused. Take a seat. Mr. Finnegan, you can stand up, please, sir, with your attorneys. Upon the verdict of the jury find you, Sean Shan Finnegan, to be guilty of murder in the first degree as charged in indictment. Upon further verdict of fixing the punishment of death, it is therefore ordered that you shall be put to death by lethal injection in the mode prescribed by Tennessee law pursuant to the provisions of Tennessee Code annotated 40-23-114. You'll be transferred to the custody of the warden of the state penitentiary at Nashville, Tennessee, pending appellate review. Thank you. Have a seat, sir. And then also to sign the order that as the 13th juror, I accept and approve the sentencing and the verdict rendered by the jury. Anything else from the state that I need to take care of?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else from the defense? Yes. All right. We'll stand in recess. All rise, please.